Many customers lack confidence in selecting motor control technologies for fixed speed applications, and they may be more confident with variable speed drives. Our Start Here app aims to address that and to give the customer confidence in selecting the right product for each and every application. Hi, my name's Gavin Highfield. I'm Sales Manager with AuCom. I'm here today to talk about our range of low voltage soft starter products, and in particular our Start Here app. AuCom's Start Here app aims to make soft starter selection easy and quick. Simply download the app, it's available for Android and iOS, and click the logo. Most customers then dive straight into the Quick Pick Soft Starter Selection Guide. So here, I'm looking at the industry I'm involved with this application, water and wastewater in this case. Then I'll select the application, which is a centrifugal pump, the line voltage, here it's 400 volts, and the motor size, which is 22 kilowatts. Finally, I select the ambient temperature. This is a really important parameter, as higher temperatures can affect the selection of the soft starter that's required for a given application. But here I'm selecting 40 degrees, which is typical for the UK and interior applications in general. Then I click search. And a number of products come up from the EMX4 and CSX series for me to look at and consider for this application. Here I'm going to look at the EMX4i, and that leads me into the summary page, which gives me the data around the application and sizing that I've just selected. I can then look at the tech spec sheet, and even in this case, look at the pump card option. This is a great PCB add-on that creates a complete pump control solution within the soft starter without the need for external components. I can share these details with colleagues, or if I go back to the summary, I can request a quote from our distributor. Here it's LC Automation. If I want further details, I can add the request into the email, or if I need a visit from the rep or from AuCom to support the application, I can do that too. If I want to know a little bit more detail around the use of the starter, I can contact AuCom, I can contact the distributor, LC Automation, and I can also look at details like our product manual. Sometimes after the event, when a piece of equipment's installed, you can have changes in the system, and this can lead to the need for a manual which may have been lost since installation. Here I click the link and it takes me through into our website, where's the correct manual I can select from the list and open it up on my device. That's really handy if you're trying to troubleshoot a problem on site, maybe out of hours, or when you're under a time pressure. Really useful tool for engineers, very practical and well thought through. Going back to the app, I can make calculations as to the motor full load current I'm dealing with and the enclosure ventilation requirements around the soft starter. Finally, there's links to our website and a settings section for the app itself. Something that many customers find really useful for the EMX4 platform is the QR code scanner. Simply select the scanner, take this to the EMX4i soft starter and select the QR code from the menu. If I scan this into the app, it'll then download the last 3 stop-start functions from the starter and allow me to see what's going on around the motor control. This can be really useful if changes have occurred or if troubleshooting requirements have come up in use. Then you can simply go back to the website or the links into technical details or the manuals, or you can request technical support on site or via email or phone from our distributor LC Automation or direct from AuCom if you have a particular requirement. Start Here is a great, easy to use app. It gives customers confidence in sizing soft starters correctly in their use, but also after the event when issues can occur around equipment on site. AuCom aims to make things simple, reliable and robust for use. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed the video.